Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Nordalilah binti Syahidan. Today I want to talk about mental health among students in Malaysia. This is important because it affects to study, life and future of young people. Mental health means how we feel in our mind and emotion. Many students today face stress and even depression. They feel pressure from school, from exam, and also from family expectation. So mental health among students is now a big problem in Malaysia. For example, the Ministry of Health reported that 1 in 5 teenagers in Malaysia have depression symptoms. In news, we also read cases of young students who take their own life because of stress. This show the problem is so real, not just a small issue. It can happen to anyone, even good student with a good result. The main cause is academic pressure. So students need to get high marks, join many activities, and make parents proud of them. Another cause is lack of support. Many students are shy to talk about their feelings. Some think people will laugh at them or judge if they say I feel sad or I need help. This stigma make the problem worse. The effect is very serious. So first, student cannot focus in class. They feel tired, they feel bored and cannot study well. The second, some students get sick like insomnia, headache or eating problems. So third, mental health can destroy confidence. Students feel lonely, useless and give up easily. So in worst case, some students may think about suicide. So this problem is very dangerous if we do not take action. There are many ways to solve the problem. So first, schools and universities must give more counseling service so students feel safe. So students need safe space to talk about their feelings. Second, government or NGOs can make awareness campaign. This can teach people that mental health is normal and important, same like physical health. Third is family must give more support. Parents should listen to their children and not focus only for their exam result. Lastly, students also need to take care of themselves. So for example, sleep early, do exercise or talk to friends when they are stressed. All the steps together can help them reduce mental health problems among students. So in conclusion, mental health is very important. Students need support from school, family and friends. I hope in future students can study with happy and healthy mind. Thank you for listening.